Pelican Storm iM3075 review. The case that laughs at explosions and TSA agents. Ever lost sleep wondering if your gear will survive the trip? That sinking, gnawing dread as you hand over your precious camera, drone, or equipment to baggage handlers with the grace of a wrecking ball. You try to play it cool, but deep down, you're sweating bullets. Maybe you've wrapped your gear in bubble wrap, patted it with clothes, or whispered sweet nothings to it before zipping the bag closed. But deep down you know. Your average luggage wasn't built for war zones or Wednesday's weather. The fear of arriving to find cracked screens, snapped lenses, or soaked electronics is real, my friend. Now crank that anxiety to 11. Imagine you're halfway across the country, or globe, and your gear arrives looking like it fought a bear and lost. You're up thousands of dollars, your project is DOA, and you're stuck explaining to your client why you can't deliver. Not to mention TSA just loved poking around. Deadlines start ticking louder. Replacing your gear? Not exactly quick or cheap. And all because your storage solution was more fashion than function. Let's be honest, most cases can't even handle a drop from your trunk, let alone the chaos of travel, weather, or being tossed under a stack of other bags like a sack of potatoes. That's why the Pelican Storm iM3075 isn't just a case, it's your ride-or-die vault on wheels. This beast of a box is trusted by the military, first responders, adventurers, filmmakers, divers, and yes, even YouTubers with expensive gear and big dreams. It's made from HPX resin, which means it can survive bone-crushing impacts, Arctic blasts, desert dust storms, and baggage claim brawls. With 7 patented press and pull latches, soft grip handles, rugged inline wheels, and customizable foam, it's a literal fortress for your valuables. Plus, that Vortex pressure valve keeps your gear safe from cabin pressure and water, no matter where you land. That's why the Pelican Storm iM3075 isn't just a case, it's your ride-or-die vault on wheels. This beast of a box is trusted by the military, first responders, adventurers, filmmakers, divers, and yes, even YouTubers with expensive gear and big dreams. It's made from HPX resin, which means it can survive bone-crushing impacts, Arctic blasts, desert dust storms, and baggage claim brawls. With 7 patented press and pull latches, soft grip handles, rugged inline wheels, and customizable foam, it's a literal fortress for your valuables. Plus, that Vortex pressure valve keeps your gear safe from cabin pressure and water, no matter where you land. Now let's talk convenience and perks. It's crushproof, waterproof, and dustproof. Inside, it's a plush foam paradise, custom fit for your camera, drone, electronics, firearms, or even grandma's vintage record player. Outside, it's a sleek black brute that screams, "I'm serious." The dual padlockable hasps add extra peace of mind, and the telescoping handle plus wheels combo make it ridiculously easy to roll through airports, mountain trails, or chaotic sets. Honestly, this isn't just a case, it's a power move, a statement that you take your gear and your hustle seriously. Want to step up your protection game? This is your sign. But here's the deal. These bad boys don't sit on shelves long. They're engineered in the USA, loved worldwide, and come with Pelican's legendary lifetime guarantee. That's right, if your iM3075 ever fails, good luck breaking it, Pelican's got your back. Thousands of pros, creators, and survivalists already made the switch. Why are you still rolling with a duffel bag like it's 1998? Secure yours before it vanishes. Don't just protect your gear, immortalize it. Click the link. Buy now. Make damage and disaster a thing of the past. The Pelican Storm iM3075 isn't just the best case, it's the last one you'll ever need. Period. End of story. Unless you like stress, shattered glass, and tears, then by all means, keep using that soft case. But if you're ready to armor up and roll out with the big dogs? Act now, stock's limited, and your gear deserves better.